Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can fast forward a video on Capcut. So select the clip and select the part you want to fast forward. I'm just going to go here and then split it. Then I'm going to select the second clip, go to speed and go to normal, and then I'm going to make the duration quicker, around 5x speed. I'm just adjusted according like what you want, I guess. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit faster. And that is basically how you can fast forward a video on Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.